Hey guys, Spencer at Z1 here today to talk to you about Z1's billet coolant bleed adapter and Z1's coolant temp sensor adapter. This is something that replaces the super failure prone plastic bleeder adapter that's in the heater hoses on your car. These are 3/4 inch or 19mm fit, so common to most all VQ applications that we service and pretty much many other metric heater hose stuff if you want to put it in a system, or if you're using it universal, 3/4 inch. There you go. All right, so obviously this is a cheap factory piece. It's plastic. You can buy a replacement for about 15 or 16 bucks, I think, currently. They get brittle from all the heat cycling over the years. You know, you get a car with 100,000 miles or so, and I think everything's fine. Hoses seem okay and stuff till one day, bam, it just blows apart on you and you're stuck on the side of the road, losing all your coolant, overheating, hopefully not putting your engine at risk. But short of that, even when they're good, they're kind of as on the good front. Bleeding these engines can be a real pain, and these bleeders common to strip out, or even when you get them up over their little O-ring seal, the way they flow out isn't real clear, you know, to telling if you have a clean stream or what on the bleed. So let's just face it, already sucks enough trying to bleed your 350. Why not improve it? So that's just what our guys did. They looked to make basically an engineered solution that was an improvement on the performance front, durability front, and even the process front. When you're dealing with that grueling task of trying to bleed your system, we use a heavier slot on this O-ring sealed brass fitting, and it really does get a better bleed out. So it makes that kind of tedious task a little bit better. Also, you really don't have to worry about the problem anymore. So if you're going in doing repair upgrade or changing some silicone under the hood, I really would recommend just go ahead and grab this at the same time. You will not regret it, I promise. Versus going back on these, and definitely don't try to reuse your old crummy coolant bleeder. If you're looking to put a gauge in, back of the motor is a great place to grab some, high temp coolant feed. We've got a coolant temp adapter, very similar, same fit. You can double it down in its bleeder, you can add 2. This one comes in a 1/4 inch NPT or 1/8 inch NPT fitting size. So for your gauge, you can install there. If you want to go BSPT for a metric gauge, you can just get a different bushing adapter. Go right into that 1/4 inch NPT setup we have. So Z1's coolant temp sensor and coolant gauge adapter available at Z1Motorsports.com.